Florida Personal Lines Insurance Practice Exam.
Welcome to the quiz.
A rider attached to a life insurance policy that provides coverage for children is called a. Is it A, juvenile insurance rider? Or B, family term rider? C, payer benefit rider? Or D, waiver of premium rider? The answer is B. A family term rider or children's term rider provides temporary level term life insurance coverage for the insured's children, usually up to a certain age, while attached to the parent's policy. Juvenile rider is standalone for children. Payer benefit waives premiums if parent dies. Waiver of premium waives for disability. Because it adds child coverage, this is the rider.
Next question.
The coinsurance clause in a property policy is intended to encourage the insured to do what? Is it A, purchase insurance from multiple companies? Or B, insure the property to a specified percentage, e.g., 80%, of its replacement cost? C, share the cost of every claim with the insurer? Or D, accept actual cash value settlements? The answer is B. The coinsurance clause penalizes underinsurance by reducing claim payments if the property is insured for less than a required percentage, usually 80% or 90% of replacement cost, encouraging the insured to carry adequate limits to avoid penalties. Multiple companies is other insurance. Sharing every claim is deductible. ACV is settlement type. Because it promotes insuring to a high percentage of value, this is the intent.
Next question.
In property insurance, a proximate cause is defined as: is it A, the first event in a chain of events? Or B, the dominant and efficient cause of a loss? C, the cause that is geographically closest to the loss? Or D, an excluded cause that follows a covered cause? The answer is B. Proximate cause is the dominant, efficient, and effective cause that sets in motion the chain of events leading to the loss, without which the loss would not have occurred, often determining if coverage applies. First event is not necessarily dominant. Geographic is irrelevant. Excluded following is ensuing. Because it is the primary efficient cause, this defines proximate cause.
Next question.
Select the coverage that would pay for injuries to a guest who slips on an icy sidewalk at the insured's home. Is it A, coverage A, dwelling? Or B, coverage B, other structures? C, coverage C, personal property? Or D, coverage E, personal liability? The answer is D. Coverage E, personal liability, in a homeowner's policy pays for bodily injury or property damage. The insured is legally responsible for including a guest slipping on an icy sidewalk at the home. Coverage A protects the dwelling structure. Coverage B covers other structures. Coverage C covers personal property. Because personal liability handles lawsuits or injuries to others on the premises, this is the coverage that applies.
Next question.
What is a miscellaneous type vehicle endorsement, often called an ATV endorsement, used for? Is it A, to cover a newly purchased car before calling the agent? Or B, to provide coverage for vehicles like golf carts or all-terrain vehicles? C, to insure a temporary substitute auto? Or D, to add towing and labor coverage? The answer is B. A miscellaneous type vehicle endorsement adds coverage for non-standard vehicles not normally insured under a personal auto policy, such as all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, golf carts, snowmobiles, motorcycles, dirt bikes, or similar recreational vehicles. Automatic coverage for newly purchased cars is usually provided by other provisions. Temporary substitute autos are covered under standard policy language. Towing and labor are separate optional coverages. Because this endorsement extends coverage to miscellaneous recreational or specialty vehicles, it matches that purpose.
Next question.
An applicant omits a past speeding ticket on their auto insurance application. This omission is best described as: is it A, a waiver? Or B, a concealment? C, an exclusion? Or D, a warranty?
The answer is B.
When an applicant intentionally or unintentionally fails to disclose a material fact, such as a past speeding ticket on the insurance application, this is called concealment because it hides information that could affect the insurer's decision to accept the risk
or set the premium.
Waiver is the voluntary giving up of a right by the insurer. Exclusion is a policy provision that removes coverage for something. Warranty is a promise that certain conditions are true. Because the omission withholds important risk information, concealment best describes this action.
That's it for today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next.
Bye.